Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this everyday simple rose gold makeup look. For this video I have partnered with NARS to talk about their Orgasm collection. So it is no longer just a blush, there is a beautiful illuminating powder, a mega sized version of their iconic blush that looks good on everybody, the Afterglow lip balm, and their lip vinyl. So this collection is absolutely gorgeous, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved the Orgasm all over look, then just keep watching. So to get started, I'm going to be doing my skin first. So I am using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I have this in the shade Aruba, and I love this foundation. I have talked about it in videos before, but I just love the finish. It's very natural. It doesn't look cakey ever, and like the name says, it's very long wearing, so you don't have to worry about it sliding off your face, especially during the summertime. You don't want that. Then I'm going to go in with concealer. This is their Radiant Creamy Concealer. I actually haven't used this in a long time, but now I am obsessed and I've fallen back in love. I have it in the shade Ginger, so I'm using this to conceal dark circles and to highlight certain parts of my face. And of course, you just want to blend that out with your beauty sponge of choice. Then I'm going to lightly set that with a powder. You really don't need a lot because the foundation does dry down pretty well, but I'm using this All Day Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Stromboli. So just lightly buffing this all over my face to set it in place. Next, I'm going to do some bronzing, and I'm using the Casino bronzer. This is their darker bronzer. A lot of people love the shade Laguna, which I love too, but during the summertime, Casino is my favorite. It is a really gorgeous color, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's not going to make you look overly shimmery or glittery by any means, and it is still really good for contouring because the shimmer is very subtle. So I'm just using it to sculpt my cheekbones and, you know, around my hairline, jawline. Now for the fun part, we are going in with NARS Orgasm, which is their iconic cult favorite blush shade. I absolutely love it. It is just so flattering, and the new packaging is gorgeous. It's huge, and it says what makes you blush on the inside. But anyways, it's just like a universally flattering color and just gives you a nice healthy flush and a little bit of shimmer. So I'm applying that all over my cheeks and a little bit to my nose. Then I'm using the new loose illuminating powder. I love this. The texture of it is so fine and silky, and it just gives you a nice, natural, glowy, soft look. It doesn't look overly glittery, which I don't like in most loose powders. So I'm just adding this to my cheekbones, and you can use this in so many different ways. So first, I'm obviously using it as a traditional highlighter and highlighting the high points of my face, nose, cheekbones, to give me that glowy factor. And then really quickly, I'm going to do my brows. So I'm using the Brow Perfector, and obviously just doing my brows really quick because brows are super important. Don't worry, we are going to resume to the regularly scheduled program, which is all about the orgasm. So yeah. Alrighty, so now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking this eyeshadow quad. This is called Singapore, and I'm taking the brassy, bronzy shade in there, and I'm literally just putting it all over my lid and just kind of creating like a wing shape on the outside, but it's just super simple, and I love this color. It's super flattering, and I love how shimmery it is. So I'm just applying the same color to my lower lash line as well. So very simple, very easy. Then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just kind of buffing out the edges so they don't look harsh or anything. Then I'm going to take the loose illuminating powder again, and I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corner and like the inner third of my eye. And that's just going to make your eyes look more open and awake and make them a little bit more sparkly. I'm also going to put it underneath my brow bone to highlight and lift that area a little bit. And then I'm going to apply more to my nose because I just love a good nose highlight. So I'm going to move on to my lips. So I am lining with this Precision lip liner in the shade Hier, and this is actually one of my favorite lip liners. It's just like a nice brownie nude, just using that to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the Afterglow lip balm, which is super moisturizing. It has antioxidants in there and just adds a little bit of pinky radiance to your lips. But I'm actually going to be using this underneath the lip gloss, which is the Full Vinyl Lip Lacquer. It's so pigmented and creamy. So I'm applying that, and then I'm going back in with the illuminating loose powder, and I'm just gonna use this again to just make my lips look really metallic and just luscious. And then lastly, I'm just gonna finish off the look by adding a few coats of the Audacious mascara to my lashes. Obviously you could add fake eyelashes to amp it up for nighttime, but I've really just been loving the natural lash look lately. And so here is the finished orgasm all over look using multiple orgasm products, because who doesn't want multiple orgasms? Yikes, that was corny. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Lip gloss in the hair. Not good, honey. Not good. Hello! 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 I didn't realize how echoey it was going to be in here, so you're going to get a voiceover, and you don't like it.